Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Reels to your feed on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Reels allow you to share your content with your friend while giving you the opportunity to be discovered by the larger Facebook community. You can share your reels or other reels to your story or your feed. And in this video, I will show you how to share reels to your feed on Facebook. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook and you can choose the reels that you want to share. For example, I will choose reels first. I will choose this one. Now you can tap on the share icon on the reels here. Here's before you share, maybe you want to say something about these reels. Okay, I will add caption like this. Here's make sure you select share to feed and tap on share now. Can you go back? Let's go to your profile. Still loading, I think. You can wait. I will reopen my Facebook. Let's see if it's. I think I will try again. We'll try with this one. Tap on share now. It posting. You share this post. Let's see. And here the reels that we just shared on our feed. Here's you can see. It's so simple, right? To share your reels to your feed on the Facebook. So that is how to share feed to your Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.